Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Gold Rabbit, and if you guys are here for the first time, welcome. And if you guys are coming back, welcome, because we're gonna make some epic content. Anyways, let's get started in the video. So, it's a nice day in Minecraft. It's snowing, and there's so many people around. I would wanna figure out what's going on. Let's go here and see what's going on. Hello, how are you doing? So this guy here, he's making some nice food for us. It looks like steak, and let's see what else he has. He has burgers. Okay, interesting. It looks like he has some fries going here, and he has some cheese on the side. That's pretty interesting. So I would say thank you for your service. Thanks for cooking. Anyways, we're gonna be carrying on over here. So it looks like this is a area where everyone studies. They're the next Elon Musk in life, but you know what? It's okay because we'll make it one day. Okay, this is like the SpaceX, So basically, I'm walking around in this server, and there's so much cool things that were created. I probably couldn't even create all these things, but it's creations of everyone. Right here there's cats, and a dog, and it's pretty cool. It's like a petting zoo. You walk over here, you have a guy growing carrots, and he has a baby cow. That's pretty cool. In real life I would do that too, because we have to live sustainably. Anyways, so the new year's coming, guys. We have to say bye-bye to 2024, and we have to welcome a new year into our lives. So we're gonna have to get ready for the new year, 2025. As I stand up here, I'm gonna try to go somewhere, where everyone can see me. But I'm just walking around. It's snowing. It's very nice and peaceful. I couldn't dream for anything better in my life. It's a nice Minecraft day. So I need to go somewhere where there's a lot of people. I really have to say my speech, and I have to tell them that the new year's coming, and we really have to live a life. Anyways, we're gonna click out of that, guys, and we're gonna go into a different server. This server is gonna be more epic, I would say. Hey, here's a quick joke. Okay, ready? Why did Steve keep fit? Because he runs around the block. Okay, anyways, enough with the Steve jokes. Okay, I'm back in this server, guys. Okay, this one I would say is pretty cool. Lucky, welcome to prison. New fish. Well, I guess I'm in prison, guys. I was living a good life, and then I went to prison. Whatever, it's okay. We'll make it out alive. Okay, let's do a little tour around prison, guys. Let's see if it makes sense. Maybe I can tell everyone my New Year resolution here. Okay, we got some inmates over here, guys. Let's keep going. Come on. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we got prisoners here. Okay, I'm gonna stand up and tell everyone here. Okay, guys. Hey, guys, welcome. 2024. Hey, you guys listening? Okay, here we go. 2024 wasn't a good year. We didn't have a good start. That's why we're all here in prison. But guess what? 2025 is going to be our year. It's going to be the year that we can grow. We can live a better life. And hopefully one day we just might make it out of here. I was living a life. I had everything. I had the fame. I had the money. But guess what? I got put in prison. Okay, wait. Oh, this is a prison guard guy. Anyways, one time I was really thinking of being a prison guard in Minecraft, but I was like, hell no, because, the shit they go through, prisoners spit on them, they throw shit at them, it's just not right. Anyways, we're gonna try to make a way out of here. I don't want to be in here, so we're gonna try to do a breakout, guys. I think I see the way out. But let's do a tour before we go, guys, because I feel like this is pretty interesting for you guys to see. So we have the eating area. Let's go down and see you guys. Oh, my knees, my knees. All those stairs, there's so many. Anyways, wait, there's something here. Wait. Oh, nothing. Okay, let's keep going. So this is probably like the area where they cook up for the prisoners, you know, like the little kitchen. Okay, and then you have like their chairs, you have like their eating area. Over here looks like they have some like community like little lounge, and they have some books because, you know, when you're in prison you probably get bored, you probably need a lot of books to read. Anyways, let's look somewhere else. Anyways, I was saying my speech to these prisoners, I don't think they cared, but anyways, I know 2025 is gonna be a good year, and I'm gonna break out. I'm gonna make a way out of here, you know. But it looks like I'm pretty much locked in because I see the outside world, but I can't get out. And that's what happens, folks, you know, when you're stuck in jail. Oh, these are the bars. Oh my. Need to get out of here. I feel a little too claustrophobic. Okay. Is there really a way out? I'm thinking about like an easy way out, an easy escape. But to be honest, it doesn't look like there's a way out. Okay, come on. We got all the inmates over here. This is pretty scary. They're doing some exercises. Hey guys, you know, I've been thinking about it. If you guys want to follow me, we're gonna make a break out of here. Let's go. Come on, follow me. If you guys are up for it. If you're not, then I'm going out. Okay guys, anyways, there's a bed too. I can sleep, but guess what? I don't got time to sleep. We just gotta make a way out. We need to make it out. What is this? The gold room? Anyways, I feel like I'm finding the way out, but I can't really get to the way out. Oh, they celebrate Christmas in prison. That's crazy. Okay, anyways, I'm going to the C area. The C area, I don't know what that stands for, but maybe that's a C section. A, B, and C. Or maybe like if you committed like a crime that was like minor, it would be A, and then a little more, it'd be like B, and then like major, it'd be C. I don't know. But to be honest, guys, I don't think there's any destiny for me, to be honest, because I don't see any way out. But don't worry. Whoa, I can't even go here, guys. Okay. Well, no matter what, guys, I'm not gonna let you down. I'm gonna find a way out one way or another. Even though if I stay in here for months, I will eventually find a way. I don't even know how I got in here, guys, because I was in a peaceful world before. I was just walking down, you know, the streets, and it was snowing. It was nice. But now I'm just stuck in here. There's a watch. It's showing you guys how time, you can never get it back. You know, once you're in here, you can really never get out. Time is ticking unless you make an escape. What is this here? This is like the toilets. Oh my goodness. I don't know why they're just in the open. It's kind of weird. Anyways, we gotta make a way out, guys. Come on. I feel like I'm going in circles, guys. I feel like I see light, but there's no light at the end of the tunnel. Come on, guys. We gotta find a way out. Oh, hey, do you know a way out? You got a pickaxe. Maybe you can help me. I'll get a pickaxe too. We're gonna dig a way out. Let's see how that works. If I can break the floor. Oh, I'm trying to break it, but it's not working. Okay, anyways, we're gonna find a way out. I'm heading for the stairs. Okay, I'm jumping up, guys. Jumping so quick no one can see me. Okay, the next spot where I'm hitting up is the highest point, and I'm gonna try to jump down from the roof. Okay, what's going on here? This is a place you don't want to go, guys, because once you're in, there's no way getting out. But I'm gonna try to get out. I hope so. Like, there's no destiny. Okay. Run, 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 fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the Batman. Okay, I think I see a way out, guys. I think I really do. No, that's just the courtroom. Okay, guys, I don't think I can get out of here, but anyways, comment down below what you guys think. How would you get out of this Minecraft jail? Because pretty much I'm in the gates, and I don't want to be in the gates, but I guess that's gonna be my life for now until I find a way out. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and comment what you guys think. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.